they got into an argument earlier about whether or not Sheen played fit. So.
So you're trying to show him. It's a good character, I swear. I didn't think it was good. It's a bad character. I just said that. I've never seen him play. Since you go to the Tuesday tournament, I don't know the Tuesday tournament. Oh, the Tuesday tournament. I think
Those are Friday.
Luigi. Yeah. That was grand finals? No, that was game one. Oh, yeah, that was grand finals. That was game one of the second, of the first set.
Avi, I lost this bracket.
I know. Bracken's pretty good though.
Yeah.
I mean,
What'd you guys roll on?
we got vanilla. The most boring thing.
You got the most boring?
Sorry. Alright, roll again. But never you have the mulligan option.
What are you guys doing?
Right. The wheel has spoken. Snake dittos.
Snake
Cactar. Snake dittos and cactar.
And cactar? They put it pretty fancy, yeah. Wait, snake card. Okay, let's get 4. 2 for each phase. Okay.
What's cactar?
Only 2 for each phase.
All the stages are available. Mic is on, by the way, okay?
Oh.
So while they do this, why don't you tell me about Scracket? What happened?
Man, he's good though.
He's good?
I didn't know how to play against Lucas.
Who'd you use?
Squirtle.
Squirtle Lucas?
So I died off the top really fast.
From Up Smash?
I think maybe Falco might have been better to use.
I don't know. I don't know.
I need Lucas practice.
Get some friendlies with Scracket. Still
I
here?
almost beat Fridgebits though.
You almost beat Fridgebits and then you lost hard to Scracket?
Yes!
I've seen Scracket play. He's good at applying pressure. Yep. Did you get to play Biggie at all?
Yeah, I played Biggie in friendlies.
How was it?
He says my Falco's good.
Falco's good?
And then Madden always says my Falco's good.
It's just Prim and Chubbs that don't like your Falcon. Alright, help me commentate whatever this is.
You have grenade coming towards you, so just FYI.
Alright, I remember when this stage was legal, dude.
Yeah.
What's wrong with this stage again? That you can go underneath to the middle?
That and it's too big.
What is going on? The background is moving, right?
Yeah.
Weird. I don't remember that. Alright.
Oh, it's still the background of the Royal Rumble calls.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Who do you want to win?
Let's go Fridge.
Sorry about that, I had the left spar invisible. Dang. Sheen was just telling me he challenged Professor Pro to a snake ditto.
Why?
It's not for money, I guess it's just to see, to experience the horror in person, the terror that is Professor Pro. Did you get it on in time? Yeah, right?
Yeah.
You want water?
How much was this?
About 50 cents, I think,
Where?
at the vending machine.
I'm gonna get another.
You have 50 cents? In quarters?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, help yourself, it's right there.
Do you want something?
Nah, I'm good. I had granola bars and then Snickers. Separate times. I didn't just eat a bunch of junk food all at once. Alright, back to this. I think I've never seen Fridge beat Sheen and a Snake Ditto.
I've never seen it either.
So I think they keep trying this and it keeps ending up with Sheen 1 or 2 stocking him. Have you ever seen Fridge win the Snake Ditto? Yeah. I don't think so. Yeah. They do it pretty regularly, I think.
They always do it in grand finals.
In winners finals. I've never seen them do this in grand. Actually,
This
did
is
they?
grand.
No, I know, but they usually do it in winners.
That's why they never see each other in grand.
Yeah, I don't. Oh, it was good. I think it was 2-0 Ostrich, and then Fridge made a 3-game comeback. I think that's what happened.
He did the 3-stock comeback.
The 3-game comeback.
The 3 like against me too.
Yeah, it's just
nice.
It's absurd. So
Damn.
it looked. I think at the beginning of the set, it looked like Ostrich had him, and then
Did he play Luigi?
Luigi.
Oh, okay, for sure.
Luigi.
All the way.
I think he went Sonic game 1, and then every other game was Luigi.
Oh.
I'm trying really hard to remember correctly because I've seen every game on stream, so they all blur together a little.
Yeah.
But I'm pretty sure that's how I remember. I remember asking, "Can Sonic grab Kirby out of crouch?" And the answer was yes.
Really? Nice.
Yeah. So I know that was a problem for you.
Yeah, dude. Did you see the match?
Yeah, I was watching everything.
All I did the whole entire game was just like kind of play lame. Like I just nared and fared, you know.
I saw. Yeah, you were both trying to space each other.
Like honestly, I couldn't really do much because I can't grab. Like it's really like risky to grab because he can just crouch and like punish me, you know. It's just that match was hard.
Kirby, you have to learn to play against. I think it's just a thing.
Yeah, and but Ostrich Glue and Move play so differently.
Sheen was telling me that Moo edge guards more. Sheen was telling me that he thinks Moo edge guards more.
Really?
Yeah, and
in that matchup.
Real Destiny, turn.
Will of Destiny.
Wheel of Destiny has spoken. Vanilla Paragon.
Sub Knight.
He's trying to prove that he has a
Bridge is up 2-0.
Yeah.
Dang.
The Wheel of Destiny is.
Yeah, the Wheel of Destiny's helping them, dude. Oh,
Sheen
man.
beat him, I think, 3-0 in winners final.
Oh wow. Okay.
So, and now it looks like it's gonna be the reverse 3-0. I don't know.
And then reset that, right?
No, this is set 1 of grand finals. I was talking about winners finals.
Oh, I got you. Okay, okay.
They played in winners, and then Ostrich happened in losers, and now grand finals. I'm pretty sure it was 3-2 against Ostrich in
Yeah.
losers.
I think when I played against Moo and then Ostrich Glue, like they had like about the same like idea for edge guarding. Like they always went out, you know. I don't know about other characters though.
I feel like I just watched Moo the other day, like destroy Sack. No, Sack destroyed us, but I saw him play a lot against Sack when they came over to my Smash Fest, and
Wait, sorry, say it again.
so I had Dr. Gran, Squirtle, Red X, and Moo in the house the other day.
Yeah.
So I got to see Moo play against all of them, and I think the thing that Moo was doing right was edge guarding, like not
okay.
dropping, you know. And against right now, watching Ostrich do it, I don't feel like even if they went for the same thing, he didn't execute it quite as well. So that said, on stage, so like as like an aggressive Kirby, and the way he like
was
follows up
so
his
aggressive.
up tilts.
Yeah.
Especially his tilts. Like he follows up his tilts and I guess his grabs too, but I was paying more attention to the tilts so efficiently. Like he puts on 50-60% on you before you even realize what happened.
Yeah.
And I don't feel like Mood does that quite to the same level. So like they both have sort of a similar idea.
Like I think Moo is like a little bit more passive, and like this, like Ostrich Kude, like he just goes in.
Yeah, he's more aggressive.
I've never seen a Kirby go that hard. You know?
Yeah. Definitely like
I can see why though. I teamed with Moo a couple times in the Daily City tournament. Dude, he edge guards nice though.
Yeah, it's efficient and clean.
Like when we team, it's like, oh, I'll stay on stage, you do all the off stage, you know? I'll get the neutral game, you get the edge guards, you know? It works perfect. Yeah.
Death on that. Yeah, so I think that's the difference. It's very similar, so like it can even kind of throw you off because they kind of go for some of the same things. Although I feel like Ostrich does like down B's a little more and stuff like that. But their emphasis in a different place.
Yeah, it is. I can tell.
Yeah.
Like we played it in doubles before I played them in singles. It's like so different. I was like, whoa, it threw me off, you know?
Yeah.
Because it's only like so many Kirby mains. It's not that many, right? Like
that I know of, there's Ostrich and Moo, and then the best Kirby main in my opinion is I think Yador down in SoCal.
Oh, okay.
And then I don't know of any other like notable Kirby main. You heading out, man? Take care, dude. Yeah, I guess it's kind of gonna leak. I think we're still gonna try to do. Draft crew.
Oh, after this?
I think so. Yeah.
Nice.
Not a kill
though.
though.
I sure have double parry from Luigi.
It's scary.
Yeah, I got hit by that a lot. I thought he could just like, a lot of times he would just like sure hop fastball it. But if that's a good mix up. Nice.
Hell yeah.
What do you think of Delfino as a stage?
I don't mind the stage. I don't know if I like it as a neutral.
Yeah.
I like it.
You like it?
You like it?
What about you?
I don't know. I like the old starter 5 stars. Like instead of Delfino, it's Dreamland.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
You just like the NorCal stage?
Yeah, I like the NorCal, dude. I like because it's kind of like it's a little bit too janky to be a starter in my opinion. I don't know.
Really?
Just because of the moving platforms, I guess.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. But I'm totally fine as like counter, you know.
Yeah, I kind of feel the same way. I don't mind if they flip. If we going back to Dreamland as counter and this.
Yeah.
Because everyone kind of disagrees. The whole Yoshi's distant planet.